Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan. So today I'm going to make a very easy and simple chicken soup recipe. Now I've been having this chicken soup since my childhood. It's delicious and very nutritious as well. Even my daughter loves it. So I just thought I would share this recipe with you. And one more thing guys, most of you who are watching this video have not subscribed to my channel yet. Please consider subscribing it because it will motivate me to make more and more videos. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's begin. Here I've taken 4 chicken drumsticks and I've washed it well. And I've chopped 2 drumsticks into 2 halves to extract the bone marrow. If you want, you can chop all of them. Now I'll be cooking this in a pressure cooker. So here goes in 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the ghee is slightly hot, I'll add in 3 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon stick and peppercorns around 7 to 8. And now goes in 1 medium sized onion sliced. I'll just toss it well. Then goes in 4 garlic cloves and 1 inch ginger chopped. Just toss it again and just make sure that you don't turn them brown. Now once that's done, we'll add in the chicken pieces and mix it well again. And now I'll be adding in a handful of coriander leaves with the stems. I'll just chop it. This will give a nice flavor. Now let's add in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt for taste. And now let's mix it all together. Now I always use chicken drumstick because it's a great source of proteins, minerals and vitamins such as iron, zinc, etc. And when simmered in a soup, these nutrients are released into the broth, making it a nutritious soup. And yes, this was my remedy for cold and flu. Whenever I was sick, I used to have this soup. My mother used to make this soup and give it to me. And it's a great immune booster. Trust me. Now I'll add in a handful of veggies. So here goes in half carrot and 4 to 5 beans diced. Just mix it well and check for salt if needed. Once everything is good, close it and give it 4 to 5 whistles. Yes, 1 whistle on high flame and 4 whistles on low flame. If you want, you can also use a pot and simmer it for 20 to 25 minutes. The idea is just to overcook the chicken, extract all the nutrients from the chicken and the bone as well. Now after 4 to 5 whistles, I will turn off the flame, okay, and I will let the pressure settle down and then we will open and our chicken soup will be ready. Look at this, the chicken soup is ready and now I will serve it in a bowl. It looks yum, isn't it? Now enjoy it with a slurp. So that's all for today guys. Do let me know in the comments below how you like this recipe, how you like this video, and share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, my name is Stan. I will see you next time. Bye bye.